this is Alicia with Evening Star Travel, and today I'm going to continue sharing my amazing experience on the river cruise I experienced in May, and today I want to talk about the views I had from my cabin. Yes, this past May, I took an amazing trip with Avalon Waterways on their Active and Discovery on the Seine River Cruise. We were fortunate enough, my husband and I, to be in a Panorama Suite, one of these amazing cabins that has a full wall patio door that slides open. It has the most amazing view. It really is one of the most amazing cabins on the river, in my opinion, but the views from it are spectacular. One of the most incredible aspects of a river cruise is the stunning scenery that just, glides before you. Honestly, that's my favorite part of river cruising, sitting and watching the world go by, either from your balcony or, somewhere on the river cruise. But really, with these cabins, the view from your suites is just fabulous. It really is my favorite part. You're so peaceful drifting by and watching the world go by. But one thing to note is that the view isn't always picture perfect, and that's okay. It can't be all glorious. During the journey, I found it really interesting to watch the various landscapes that you see. That does include industrial areas that, it's kind of interesting to see, what is that? Is that a factory? What are they doing there? What type of industry is it? You're also passing through locks sometimes, and sometimes your view is completely blocked by that lock, but even passing through locks is interesting. I find it really fascinating. Sometimes also you're going to be berthed in an area of town that isn't always touristy and is a bit more industrial, but lots of times you'll also see people walking by, and it's so fun to just people watch and guess where they're going and what they're doing, what their lives are like. I think it's really interesting to see. So another thing is that sometimes you're going to be berthed right beside another ship. So sometimes your view is going to be of another ship. Again, that's totally normal. That's not going to be your view the whole time, but it can happen. We were very fortunate that the only time we were berthed against another cabin, and it's a little bit of a luck of the draw which side of the ship you're on, was one evening where we had another cabin up against us. So yes, that is my video today. Just a quick video on what your views are going to be like during an amazing river cruise. If you have any comments, be sure to comment below, post below. And when you're ready to start planning your next river cruise, don't hesitate to reach out. This is Alicia with Evening Star Travel. You have a great day.